What's to YouTube fam? It's your girl TK, and how are you guys doing? Look, I am up late. What time is it? Let me look at my phone real quick. It is 1:44 in the motherfudging morning. I don't know if you can see that on my phone. I should be asleep. I feel exhausted, but I decided to get up and do something to my hair, and I end up doing braids in my motherfucking hair. Excuse my French. Oh, girlfriend, I can't believe I'm cursing like that. Oh, where's my manners? Children, if you are watching me, child, hold your ears on that part right there. Ooh, ooh, excuse me. Anyhow, it's late, so I'm yawning. I ain't trying to yawn in your ear, but it's shit. Stuff happens, okay? Shit happens. Life happens. Anyhow, I want you guys to know, I'm only doing braids again in my hair because y'all know I live a thug life, you know? And this is convenient, and I just learned how to re-braid my hair. So with me learning how to re-braid my hair, I kind of like it. It's cheap, it's affordable, and I can do it myself. I haven't went to a hairstylist, and y'all see, this is the front, and I actually like them thus far. I like how they came. I don't know, like I probably came too close to the camera. But do y'all see that? This is what I've done so far. And yeah, I like it. It's coming out real cute. And I can move around. You know what I'm saying? If I want to go to the gym, put my hair in a pony. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I was saying, if I want to put some makeup on, I could put some makeup on. You know what I'm saying? And I could style it and keep life going. Now, maybe next month I could do something a little bit different, but just this month right here, I'm putting some more braids in it. But I promise you I won't do it next month. I promise I'll probably do like a sew-in. I think it'll be fun for me doing a sew-in. I haven't done a sew-in in years on myself. And child, how these hairstylists be, it's good to learn how to do stuff for yourself. Trust me. Oh, girl. And yeah, I have to hold it to break the ends of the hair, as you can see. Anyhow, I wanted to tell you guys what type of hair I'm using right now. The hair that I'll be using to do my hair, well, the hair that I am using to do my hair, I should say, child, is the Expressions Premium hair. And it's like 3 in a pack. It's pre-stretch, and it's 1B30. So it's like, you know, 1B up top, the 30 part is at the bottom. And I never really done hair with color in it. And I was like, you know what? It's nothing wrong with a little color in your life, darling. So of course, you know, I wanted it. Now, I know the front of my hair looks super full, but in the back it's not, it's gonna be as full. I'm gonna make sure of that. And so that's the reason why I don't mind the front of my hair being full. Because like I said, I'm gonna be exercising, going to the gym. I don't know if I told you guys, but if you don't know, I want you guys to know, your homegirl did sign up for the gym. And I signed up about 3 days ago, and guess what? I still have not went to the gym, which is craziness, okay? Absolutely craziness. But I'm finna get there. I just wanna get myself prepared, you know what I'm saying, to rumble with the beasts and be in there sweating to death. Anyhow, this video right here that I'm doing is more like a chit chat. I don't really think I need to show you guys step by step on how to do knotless braids. I think there's so many girls in the beauty community who does hair, you know, consistently. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really one of them girls that do hair consistently, but I like to try to play with my own hair, and that's what I'm doing. When I was younger, I used to do hair a lot, and I probably could have, you know, explained it a little bit better. I tried when I started YouTube, you know, trying to do hair, and I realized, like, no, it took practice just trying to put these little knotless braids in my hair. And I mean a lot of fudging practice, because at first I was like, you know what, at first you don't succeed. Maybe it's not for you. Maybe it's really not for you. Like me trying to sing, honey, I can't. I really can't sing, honestly. I can't. I can't. Don't try to make me seem like I can sing when I told you already I can't sing. Dang. Yeah, one of them situations right there. Anyhow, yeah, so I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna try to at least do the front of my hair. Like I said, it's 1:44. I'm about to clock out any minute, but I'm gonna stay up, do as much as I can, and then I'm going to go to sleep. You heard me. I'm supposed to get as much. Woo! I'm gonna get as much sleep as I can, child. As much sleep as I can, child. But I'm trying to stay up. Honestly, I don't know about you or who do your hair. If you do your own hair, bless your heart, honey, bless your heart. But if you do your own hair, like what I'm doing right now, child, I want you to know you must have something on. Either it's the music or Lifetime. And I'm telling you, Lifetime has really saved my motherfucking life. As I'm sitting in the bathroom doing my hair, I got my Lifetime on and it's playing right now, okay? She's playing something good, okay? It's very entertaining. I watched a couple shows and I was all in it. I was in my emotions and my feelings, and I was so glad Lifetime was on. It was giving what it was supposed to have. Woo! Girl, let me get back to doing this hair of mine. And yeah, let me finish this up, like the front up. Like it has to be finished up. Like I said, right now what I'm doing is I'm just taking a couple pieces out to do my hair. And honestly, this is not a tutorial, but I want you guys to know the size of the hair that I'm taking out. It's a good little size. And I'll start braiding my own hair because I don't really want the knotless braid connected to my hair, if that makes sense. The root part, I don't know. I think it helps with breakage and everything if it's not. That's just my opinion. And I just love knotless braids because it's like an extension towards your hair. It's not really, you know, starting at the root, and it can, you know, it minimizes your hair being damaged to me. I don't know. I had a lot of hair growth from wearing these braids, but then again, protective styles in general has definitely helped with hair growth. So to my sisters out there that's trying to grow their hair, and my brothers out there that's trying to grow their hair, one of the things I will say to you, since we are having a little conversation, is protect that style. Do protect that style. Do protective styles. What am I doing right now, child? I'm trying to talk to y'all and tell y'all what y'all need to be doing, and I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, let's try this again. So to my sisters and brothers out there that's trying to do, you know, have hair growth, protective styles, it works. Trust and believe it. It fudging works. Protect your hair. Do a protective style. Let it sit in your hair for a couple months. Don't play with your hair. I used to like play around when I used to hear people say protective styles. I'd be like, what? Okay, is that meaning going and get you some Ken too and Echo Styler Gel and, you know, curling your hair every week? No, you keep your hands out of your head. That's what's helping my hair grow, is me doing a protective style, braiding, twisting, and leaving my hair alone for weeks at a time, and it's growing healthy, strong. You know what I'm saying? I do, you know, oil treatments on it. Y'all seen, I just put some aloe in my hair yesterday, like pure aloe, rubbed it in there. You know what I'm saying? For moisture, you know, moisturize it, shampoo, condition it, and then protect your hair, especially if you're ethnic, you know, individual. It's good to put your hair up. It's okay to do that for weeks at a time. And then on top of that, it helps with, you know, having to do your hair. Because if your hair is kinky, curly like mine, sometimes it can be aggravating trying to do your hair, period. So that's one thing I will say. I don't know. Anyhow, I will say this too. Me talking to y'all, it was like I couldn't even put this damn braid in. It's like, what the fudge? Just really see what's really going on. And it ain't really nothing. It's just me me a little tired now. I want to go in bed. I'm getting aggravated because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I ain't starting until like 8 o'clock at night. Like, I was wasting a lot of time trying to start my hair tonight, and that's that bullshit. But it is what it is. It is. I'm gonna get through this. I am a survivor. And talking about survivor, I want you guys to notice that I think on my page it says something about resilience, strength, survivor. That's my mantra, my motto. So if you're on my page, just note this, babes. You are strong, you are resilient, you have strength, and most importantly, you are a survivor. And we're not talking about Destiny Child. Oh, not that type of survival. I'm talking about going through some real deep shit and living through it, enduring it, you know, being a part of something. You know what I'm saying? Anything that was a struggle for you and you were able, you are a survivor. A real survivor, period. Now, when I say I'm not talking about them, that doesn't mean I don't like that song, because I am a survivor. I will not give up, period. Also, I don't know if I said it because I'm over here just rambling my mouth, having a little chit chat with y'all. I want you guys to know that I didn't get any other type of, you know, holding gel to hold my hair down. I'm just using this jam. It's gonna have to do. And just so you know, the jam that I'm using is the Let's Jam Conditioning and Shining Extra Hold. Honestly, like I said, it's gonna have to do because that's what I had in my house. I didn't go out to get anything else. You can call me lazy on that part right there, but my hair is getting done. That's all that matters, you know? Oh. I need to do at least 2 before I start my braid. See, I get on the phone. I'm like on the phone with y'all. I'm talking about I get on the phone. I get on the camera, and I don't even know how to act, y'all. Like, I'm forgetting that I'm supposed to be doing my damn separating the hairs. I wish I would have had a little divider, but again, I'm not an everyday damn braider. No, that's not who I is. I get on the damn thing and I cannot even attach my goddamn braid with y'all online with me. Like, what the fuck is y'all doing to me? Y'all is causing me to struggle right now. I don't like this struggle y'all putting me through. YouTube family, I need to back the fudge up. Somebody's spirits is not sitting right on my channel right now. Okay. I got it, bitch. I got it. Stop playing with your friend. I got this braid in my hair, and that's all that matters. That's all that matters. If I have to go to sleep, that's just what I have to goddamn do. Let me put my glasses back on because I can't see y'all without my glasses on or my contacts. And I prefer my goddamn glasses on right now. Alright, YouTube fam, so as promised, I said I was going to come back online once my hair is done. Now, y'all seen my hair in knotless braids before, but I wanted to show you guys that I did my hair this time. And it is completely done. I think I did a really good job. Before I was going to like have someone doing my have them done, but I just feel like with scheduling and getting someone to do it and then you calling around it, etc., etc., it just felt good to just do it myself. Plus,
I don't know if I already said it, but if I didn't, I am going on my weight loss journey. And I want to take it serious. I enrolled into a gym. And I'm going to be in there. Your girl is going to be in the gym. And this really will help me out where I can just style it as I go. I can do different styles to my hair, manipulate my hair how I want to. And it's not too harsh on your hair. So find a style that you like and protect. But I promise you next month, I'm definitely going to be doing a sewing in my hair. Anyhow, this video isn't supposed to be long. Although this one is kind of sort of is. But it's been a couple days since I've been online, so I think this video should be fun, a little interesting, and I hope you enjoy it. Peace, love, and happiness, guys. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and remember always, mind your motherfucking business. I'm out this bitch. Bye.